This phoenix rising from the ashes into the light is really the MD story. And it's a story that will always define me and define my heart. We are in a place where we are really embracing and building aircraft and developing technology to meet the needs of our customers. It's innovation of manufacturing process, and it's not just disruption, it's also design. I think in industries like this, we sometimes forget how important beauty is, making us smile in our hearts. We are moving with fierce rapidity to really bring a little bit of beauty back to this industry.